Welcome to the ultimate indoor gaming experience for kids, introducing the Air Hockey Table Mini and Ludo Dice for seating. Dive into a world of excitement and entertainment right in the comfort of your own home. Crafted with precision and designed for endless fun, our customizable gaming table brings together the thrill of air hockey and the strategic charm of Ludo, all in one compact and versatile package. Your little ones engaged in exhilarating air hockey matches, their competitive spirits soaring as they battle it out for victory. Meanwhile, the classic game of Ludo adds a touch of nostalgia and strategy, creating moments of laughter and bonding as families and friends gather around for a game night to remember. Air Hockey Table Mini and Ludo Dice for seating apart is its innovative design. Not only does it provide hours of entertainment, but it also doubles as stylish seating, making it the perfect addition to any playroom or family den.